this episode of Trash Panda Off-Road. We take the long drive down to Medford, Oregon. Gonna go up to Trail Tough and drop off our wiring harness. Also got to pick up some parts that we'll need to finish out this engine swap. Finally made it down to Trail Tough. There it is, guys. 4 hours from when we left the house, and we're gonna drop off our wiring harness and hopefully pick up the kit we need to do the 2-liter swap. Cool little Samurai buggy build. Let's see if I can figure out how to get. Oh, there it is. They told us we could walk through their storage area out here and look at some of their Suzuki parts. If you guys need parts and stuff, Trail Tough down here in Medford, Oregon has a lot of stuff. As you can see, here's a caged Samurai. Lots and lots of Samurais. We're heading towards hopefully an X90 row because we're going to see if we can solve that seatbelt issue we got on the Clarenda's rig. But look at all this stuff. Oh, there's X90 there. Tops. I wonder what he wants for those T-tops. I might as well ask while I'm here. Hard tops for trackers. If you guys are looking for stuff, give these guys a call. They've got a lot. They do have the seat belts in there. That one that's pushed down just like hers is, though.
No, hers is cracked though.
Tin top tracker. A couple 4-door trackers. Some more X90s down this row, he said. Vitara's over there. Holy mackerel. All kinds of used parts. Don't see these guys mentioned often when you guys are looking for used parts on the internet, but obviously they sure do have a lot. Here's a whole tracker full of air boxes and air conditioning compressors and alternators. Oh, here's a gray X90 that was red when it was made. Seatbelt is in with the seatbelt buckled into it. Nope, it doesn't work either though. It's wiggly. Oh, that one's not bad. It's still better than what Clarenda's got. Ow! T-tops on this one are broken. Alright, let's keep walking through. There's still a couple more down here. Oh, there is a whole row full of them. Oh, this one's got flames. So, guys are looking for X90 parts. These are definitely a place to come. Talk to these guys. Nope, that one's gone already. This one's got a gas tank in it, so I can't get to it. But it does have T-tops. I wonder how much he wants for T-tops. And if these are in better shape than hers. Yeah, this one is. So, oh man, this place is so cool. If you're a Suzuki geek like me, this place is awesome. That one's full of stuff. There's another T-top. Alright. And then the front row here is all Samurai stuff. Vitaras. Samurai hardtop. You guys are interested, they got one here. I ain't fitting through there. Oh, can't go that way.
What's this place called again?
Trail Tough. This way. There's a Geo Tracker hardtop. Front section is missing, but the back's right here. 4-door stuff. Too cool. Some of their fabrication area. There's some springs, you guys. And then here's the bumpers they build. Rock sliders, all that good stuff. Nice Stinger bumper right there. I like that. I don't know if that's a Samurai bumper or looks like it's a Samurai bumper. That's nice. So, alright, sun's horrible, but there's the front of the building, guys. We're heading home. It's about a 4-hour drive. Walked through their yard, saw a lot of cool stuff. Did run back in and bought seat belts for the X90. Like I said, they have a row of X90s, and I showed you guys I was looking for them. They're going to dig those out for us and ship them with the wiring harness. It's 4 o'clock-ish. Hope to be home by 9. And I will show you guys what I bought when I get back to the house. Back home in my shop. Oh, you can't see that part yet. I don't know if that video's come out yet or not. So left Portland and where I work at about 11 o'clock, drove down, got to Medford, Oregon, where Trail Tough is, about 3, spent an hour down there talking with Dylan, looking around his facility, saw a lot of cool stuff. I didn't realize how much used stuff they have down there. So if you guys are looking for used stuff, check them out. I also bought some other stuff that they're going to ship back to me when I dropped off my wiring harness. Drove all the way back home, and it's all around 9 o'clock. So quite a drive, but I wanted to make sure to get down there because I really wanted to make sure that they had all the pieces. And so I let those guys look at the wiring harness. He said he had everything he needed. And every time I called him on the phone, I kept getting a different kind of story about what I needed. And I talked to him about that, and he said that had to do with one time he thought I was doing a Samurai, and so stuff like that in regards to not being clear as to what vehicle I'm putting this motor into. So I will show you guys real quick what I ended up coming back with. So big giant, oops, dogs are barking. Giant Trail Tough window sticker. Not sure if I'm going to use that or not. And then of course I got a handful of these Trail Tough stickers. Let's see, kind of shiny. That one I'll definitely put on one of the rigs. Quite a few of those, probably 5 or so. My invoice, invoice for something else that I bought that was used. That'll be part of a different video. Some more stickers. Okay, the website does say you need a flywheel core. They're not doing that anymore, so you don't have to take them your flywheel. You just call them up or order it out. This I think was 150 bucks, but it's been bored out in the center and the new bolt pattern is there. This is a old Geo Tracker Suzuki Sidekick flywheel that has been machined to fit the back of the 2-liter motor. So you need that. It's very heavy, so I'm kind of glad we didn't have it shipped. Some mounting bolts, which is nice. Those go with this. And these are the heavy-duty motor mounts. Let me open those up a little bit so we can get a better look at them. Let's see how we can do this with one hand. It's amazing how much stuff some of these other YouTuber guys can do with just one hand. That's not me. There it is, sort of. You can get an idea as to what it is in there. That is the Trail Tough unbreakable motor mounts. They go onto the 2-liter and let you bolt it down into the Sidekick or Geo Tracker right here. And then of course these bolt onto the side of the block. Just open a little bit more. Yeah, they tape these up really good for shipping, so rest assured, if you order them, they're going to make it to you in good shape. I think it's time to replace the blade on my knife. There we go. There it is. Shiny. Alright, there they are. That's the motor mount. Bolts in on one side, the other side bolts up to the 2-liter motor.
Obviously there's one for each side in there, and it comes with the mounting hardware. There's the other side. And then this little bugger is the pilot bushing, because the transmission out of the 94 obviously is not the same as the one in the 03, and so you need this little pilot bushing to suck up the huge gap that is in the back of the block on the 2-liter, because they're different transmissions. So all in all this stuff, plus dropping off my wiring harness to be rewired, I'm under $1,000. I think where a wiring harness is like $550. It's all on their website. I'm not trying to hide anything from you guys. Wiring harness is $550, flywheels like $150, and the motor mounts are around $2. So that's where we're at with all that. Again, I'm so glad I made the trip. I'm glad my wife was willing to pick me up and drive me all the way down there. It was nice to spend some time, just the two of us, but man, that is a lot of drive time. So we will continue on to this project. I hope you guys like this video. This was a lot of rambling, almost 5 minutes of just trying to show you guys what's in the box. So thanks a lot for watching. Hope you're still here, still involved. Follow along, Trash Panda Off-Road on the Instagram. See all the projects we're working on, and see the updates. I update that daily. And then please subscribe to the channel if you're into Geo Tracker and Suzuki content. I've got 3 other build ideas that I'm going to do once we get this one finished. You don't want to miss out on any of that. Thanks a lot, guys.